Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to check flight status on Flair Airlines. Here are the steps to check the flight status on Flair Airlines using the Flair Airlines web app. The first thing for you to do is to open your browser and go to Flair Airlines website at flyflair.com. On the home page, look for the flight status link, typically located in the main menu, which is here. Now, click on the flight status to access the flight status page. So, you'll be prompted to enter the relevant flight information. First, the flight number. Next, the departure date. So for the flight number, input the specific flight number you want to check. And for the departure date, select the date of the flight from the calendar or enter it manually. So you can click on this calendar icon to enter it manually. Now, after entering the details, click on Search to proceed. Then the next page will display the current status of the flight, including departure and arrival times, gate information if available, any delays or cancellation, and current location of the flight if applicable. Now, if you wish to check multiple flights, you can repeat the process by entering different flight numbers and dates. You may also find links to view scheduled flights or any travel advisories related or relevant to your routes. If you experience issues accessing flight status or if the information appears outdated, consider contacting Flair Airlines customer support for assistance. So, flight status updates are usually provided in view time, but it is always good to verify close to your travel time. If you have a connecting flight, check the status of both flights to ensure a smooth travel experience. And that's it. You can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.